Today, I finally answer your nightly question of how much I love you. I love that you care so deeply about your family and our boy Barney. I love that you have such a kind soul and that you tear up when there's a doggy rescue ad on TV. I love that you're fearless enough to jump off a cliff and you're fearless enough to roll your eyes in front of anyone or anything. I love the warmth and kindness you bring into my world. You truly make me a better person each and every day.
First of all, guys, how good is this? Seriously, how good is this? I didn't even know this was going to be this good.
So deep in love, oh yeah, with a wonderful girl. The loveliest girl.
Picture this. The scene was set for romance back in Georgie and ZAC's uni days. I have it on good authority that ZAC saw a photo of Georgie and he expressed a keenness to be introduced to her. That introduction would be at a party on a crowded dance floor. Told you it was romantic.
Georgie tells me she was smitten with ZAC, and as he was about to leave, he leaned in and left a kiss on her cheek. Smooth.
Just under 10 years ago, I made the decision to move interstate with a boy who used so much country slang that I couldn't understand him half the time. That boy has been my safe place ever since. ZAC, I've learned that no matter where we are, if I'm with you, I'm where I'm supposed to be.
From the start, your warmth drew me in. Thank you for seeing past my country slang and my obnoxious old youth. Thank you for always showing up for me and loving me for who I am.
Hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me, that is your loss. It is my day. Got a bit of a joke on. This is my day. It's all about
To our lovely groom, you are an incredible man, and I'm so privileged that you have broken my life and that I get to watch you love my girl the way she deserves to be loved and build a life together you both truly deserve. I've watched you love her from the moment you came into her life, and I see how you look at her and how you appreciate her and understand her.
So deep in love. Oh, yeah. Yeah, got to be loved, baby, baby, baby. Got.
From the start, I had plenty of reasons to love you, and with every day, that list has only grown. I love your brilliant mind, your thoughtful heart, gentle nature, and cheeky sense of humour.
It feels like a lifetime ago I gave you that unsolicited kiss on the cheek, and it was unsolicited, to ask to see you again. Little did I know I'd met such a kind, loving and empathetic person, someone that would light up my world and become the person I get to share my life with.
This is where I might cry, which we've all seen. Georgie has always been, and still is, the best role model to me and Emma. She is kind, extremely empathetic, hardworking, brave, and absolutely hilarious. Through our bond, we learn how to be vulnerable yet strong, and we learn how to speak freely and honestly. Georgie, you are our rock in the difficult times and a shining light in the good ones. To say that we love you would be an understatement.
George, you honestly are truly the kindest, most genuine, and of course, let's not forget funny person I know.
George, welcome into our side of the family. You've been there for a long time already.
I could not be prouder to be your dad.
Thank you. Love you.
There was absolutely no question that Georgina was destined to find a beautiful, compassionate and kind partner, which is perfectly embodied in ZAC. He took a bit of time to crack, but the more time we spent with him, we realised he was a bit of a dark horse. We quickly learned that he loves a sesh, which made for an easy introduction and some funny and incredible memories. We are so excited to have a brother, and we feel so lucky that it's you.
And Georgina, my sweetheart, you're officially a brother. After all this time, I thought I'd be the one sitting there in that dress. But here we are.
I'm so grateful to you for always showing me so much love, care, and unwavering support, for making me laugh so hard, truly being the calm to my storm. I'm also grateful to you for putting in the effort to learn how to make the perfect cup of tea.
Georgie, you've brought so much love and happiness into our lives since the day that you were born. We watched you grow and you flourished, a beautiful girl. And then it got to a point that we had to let you make your own choices. You've made some great choices in life. You chose sports, you chose friends, you chose to play the piano. But more importantly, you've chosen to be loving, kind, compassionate, honest, empathetic, confident, and strong. We're so proud of you, Babby. And then one day you met ZAC, and you chose him. ZAC, I'm glad she chose you. I'll never forget the day that I first met you. I honestly felt that you were kind, genuine, and all things good. ZAC, I love you, and I'm so glad that Georgie chose you, and you chose her.
ZAC, together we've built a beautiful life so far, and I couldn't love it more. To be standing here about to become your wife and begin the next part of our story fills me with so much excitement. And I admire your drive, humility, and integrity every day. I truly feel so fortunate that you will be my husband and by my side for whatever comes our way.
So today, I promise to always love you for who you are, to always be your teammate in every challenge, every joy, and every decision. I promise to listen after a long day and to keep striving for that perfect cup of tea.
So this place where we've all travelled to, it's a bit more than a holiday destination for us. It is a place that ZAC and I have made so many memories together over the course of our relationship. I can't tell you how infinitely more special it is now, because we've made our favourite memory here with all of our favourite people from all our different parts of our lives.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for you. The world is a much brighter place with you both in it.
You look like a true team. And I can see that Georgina as a person has blossomed actually since you guys have been together. So that's a credit to you.
I vow to always be on your side and cheer you on in the good times. But more importantly, I vow to be the best support I can be when you're down or things are hard. I vow to cherish and savour the small moments of us just as much as the big ones, like our morning coffees together, nights on the couch with Barney, slow weekends away.
I promise to keep showing up for us, for you, and for the life we're building together.
Together, you are exactly what love is meant to look like. A love that's built on respect, trust, and choosing each other every single day. Thank you for reminding us all that love is the most incredible thing we get to experience.
I vow to love you always and to be the best wife to you I can be.
And above all, I promise to be your best friend and your partner for life. I love you.